Okay, now this is the second version, or version 1 of the machine problem 2. So this one it differentiates because it is sorting them based on their student ID. So it is putting them in order from 1 through 10. So 5 would be before 10. They're not all mixed up. They're 1 through 10. So it sorts the array. We have the same mySelectionSort.java, which has the same students and the printing out these strings, or the words that are saying what the students are, and the students after sorting. So, but for this, it's basically the same after sorting. There isn't really a difference. So it is still sorting them from 1 through 10. And this is different because it just sorts the ID rather than the student's name. So yeah.